Everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your remaining month of August reading, start from the 22nd through the 31st of August 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see what is coming up for Leos for this remaining month of August. I will be adding oracle card, but no charms will be included, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings, and you can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's see what is coming up for Leos for the remaining month. Let's begin. Emperor, the Hierophant, Four of Pentacles, the Star. One more card, Page of Pentacles. Okay, let's take another one. Another one, last one. Nine of Wands. Underneath the deck you have Ten of Swords. Underneath that, Four of Cups. Underneath that, Nine of Swords. Underneath that, Page of Cups. Wow. I do see somebody having the manifestation goes wrong, like it's more like you are trying to manifest a specific person, and then you are just doing everything right, everything is going good and great and stuff, and then what you get is something else, and you're like, oh my god, I didn't try to manifest this, what is going on? And for some reasons, hold on, let me take one more card just to be clear about it. Okay, it's okay, hold on. There's nothing to panic about, because whatever you're getting is more than what you have asked for, so it's a good thing again. But yes, maybe you wanted a certain thing, maybe you wanted a certain person, and then there is another person coming in your life who is better than what you have asked for. That could be the case for some of you. For others of you, maybe you wanted a person to reach out to you and start talking to you, and then this person is rushing towards you to offer you more than what you were expecting, maybe marriage, wedding, getting engaged and stuff like that. And it's going to be like, they are involving people too in this whole situation, and you're like, hold on, like, just wait, I mean, just don't rush into things. That's what I'm picking up very strongly coming up for you. And I feel like, swift changes coming up for you for the remaining month of August. It seems like, somebody is rushing towards you, that's for sure. And it's like, something that you have been manifesting. It's something that you have been, doing secretly. It can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. Maybe there is somebody in your life who is manifesting you in their life, and you are the one who is like, feeling a certain way for a specific someone. It can be, they manifesting you in their life, or you manifesting them in your life, but somebody is definitely manifesting here a connection which is happening so quick that the other person needs a break from it. Like, it's so quick, it's so fast, it's so happening, that it's like, hold on, like, somebody's being like, wait, like, it's going too fast. But that's what it is. I do see some positive, beautiful changes coming up for you in your love life, coming very, 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 very swiftly. Like, it's gonna come as a rush to it's like but that's how it is destined to happen. And I feel like, for majority of you, since there has been some time that you took to manifest, or the person that you are dealing with, they took to manifest it. It took them maybe years, it took them maybe months, but when it's happening, it's like going like this. Everything is happening so quick, so fast, that now they're wondering, like, why is it going so fast? I feel like, almost the same energies came up for my fishies, for maybe, I think the last week, reading, or the reading before that. But that's kind of the energy that I'm picking up for the Leos here in this remaining month of August time. something is happening so quick. But again, whatever changed, maybe you are expecting a person to walk into your life, and then this person comes in your life and just propose you. That could be the case for some of you. Maybe there is this one person that you like, and this person comes up with the they reach to your place, like maybe they ring the bell at your house and tell you that this is what I'm looking for with you. But I do see the family is getting involved too. It's not going to be like nothing. It's not going to be anything less than that. I don't see it going to be anything less than marriage, wedding, committed relationship, where the families are also involved. I do see that sort of commitment coming here for you for the remaining month of August. For very few of you, it's going to be a wedding, thing happening for you, which is again going to be so quick and fast that you would be like, hold on, like let me think, let me do this, let me do that. But it's going to happen so quick and fast. So, but yeah, the changes in love is coming swift, but um, they are good and positive. For some of you, like I mentioned earlier, it could be maybe you have been thinking about a specific person coming in your life and offer you the cup of love and stuff, and there is this person that you wanted to get married to, and then there is another person comes in your life who is rushing into your life, like this person is giving you all that you wanted, and you are like maybe I didn't want it from this person, I wanted to have it with this specific someone. But whoever that is coming up for you, or whoever it is that is coming forward to offer you love, trust me, this person, this man, this woman is better than what you have asked for. So I would still suggest, because I feel like this is meant to happen. Whatever that is happening for you during this time, it is meant to happen. So rather holding yourself back, or rather feeling like what's going on, just go for it, just go for it, because it's going to bring you happiness, it's going to bring you all that you have been asking for, praying for, wishing for. So just let this happen, let this add the abundance that you have been waiting for, because I feel like this is something which is meant to happen. You cannot say no to this, you cannot stop this, you cannot push this energy away. This is going to happen, and this is happening so quick. It's going to be like rush of events is what I'm picking up. Everything is going to go, and it's going to be like so quick that you are going to be definitely like feeling like what's going on. But it's going good, and it's going good for it's something beautiful that's happening for you. So don't resist the change, don't push. Even if you try to push it away, I don't see it happening for you. Be that somebody new, be that somebody that you wanted, be that somebody that you didn't expect to come, that person is entering in your life and is becoming the one for sure. So let's take one oracle card here. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. This is beautiful. Trust me, this is beautiful. Especially for those of you who have been single for quite some time and they have been feeling left alone all their life. Their wish regarding their love life is getting granted here. So just accept it with open arms, and just know that everything is being taken care of. Getting to know each other, as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. I think like for some of you, you would feel like maybe I need to get to know this person first and stuff like that. But it's okay, you will get to know them, and it's like your bond is going to get deepened as you move forward. So there's nothing to worry about. This person is not going to make you feel bad later on. This person is not going to make you feel regret the decision of getting married to this person. So just go with that opportunity that you are having, that offer that you are having in your love life. Trust me, it's the best thing that you can have for yourself. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for the Leos for the remaining month of August. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you like to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.